Good morning, respected panel members, fellow researcher, and everyone present today. My name is Ranti Mustika Putri, and I am honored to present our study titled Knowledge Sharing in Higher Education, a hybrid systematic literature review and bibliometric analysis. This research was conducted together with Professor Madya, Dr. Norailis, and also Dr. Nur Kamarina from University Sains Islam Malaysia. Today, I'll walk you through the background, methods, finding, and significance of our study on how knowledge sharing has evolved and continues to shape higher education institutions worldwide. Knowledge sharing plays a vital role in higher education, especially in today's fast-changing academic environment. Universities are under increasing pressure to adapt to digital transformation, enhance collaboration, and stay globally competitive. By sharing knowledge effectively, institutions can improve teaching, research, and organizational performance. In short, knowledge sharing is not just about information flow. It is about creating a learning culture that sustains innovation and growth. The main goal of this study is to develop a comprehensive understanding of knowledge sharing in higher education. We combine two approaches. First, a systematic literature review to analyze what has been studied, and second, a bibliometric analysis to visualize how the field has developed over time. By merging this approach, we obtain both a deep theoretical understanding and a clear global overview of the research landscape. Let me now explain the key research questions that guide our work. We focus on three central questions. First, does knowledge sharing in higher education remain relevant for future research? Second, how is research distributed geographically? And third, what theoretical and practical insight can guide future studies? This question helps us explore what has been done, where research is concentrated, and also how the field is evolving. Now, let's take a closer look at how knowledge sharing plays a critical role in the context of higher education. Knowledge sharing in higher education involves the structured exchange of both tacit and explicit knowledge. It is a voluntary process where individuals contribute their skill, experience, and insight, driving innovation, improving institutional performance, and fostering competitiveness. Beyond strategy, it is also support global collaboration and collective problem solving. This process is multidimensional, acting as a behavior, a strategic tool, and a societal mechanism. In practice, knowledge sharing enhances teamwork, creativity, and learning outcomes. It takes place through both formal methods, such as meeting and document, and informal channels like conversation and online interaction. Ultimately, it promotes adaptability, continuous improvement, and helps build trust, relationship, and a strong institutional learning culture. In methodology, we applied the PRISMA approach to ensure a transparent and structured review process. A total of 195 journal articles published between 2007 and 2025 was retrieved from the Scopus database using the keyword knowledge sharing and higher education. After screening, we used FOSViewer software for bibliometric mapping. This allows us to visualize publication trend, co-authorship network, and keyword relationship. This method also helps us identify how research teams, collaboration, and concepts have developed globally. Our first major finding is that knowledge sharing research has gone through three main phases. Early stage from 2007 until 2015 focused on network of practice and creativity, examining how people share ideas in academic communities. And then recent development from 2019 until 2025 focus on emphasize innovation, collaboration, and the use of digital platform. And then the current era from 2024 until present highlights sustainability, organizational learning, and leadership integration. This progression shows that knowledge sharing has matured from being a basic interaction process to a strategic enabler of institutional transformation. In terms of geography, most studies come from the United Kingdom, the United States, China, and Malaysia, which countries with strong higher education system and innovation policies. However, newer contributions are emerging from the United Arab Emirates, Indonesia, and Thailand, focusing on digital transformation and institutional growth. Meanwhile, Africa and Latin America remain underrepresented. This highlights the need for cross-cultural and comparative studies to ensure a more inclusive understanding of knowledge-sharing practice. From a theoretical perspective, three major foundations were identified. 1. Knowledge management, how knowledge is created, stored, and shared. 2. Organizational learning, how institutions learn, adapt, and improve. 3. Social capital, how trust, relationship, and collaboration drive knowledge flow. From a practical point of view, knowledge sharing strengthens collaboration and innovation, enhance institutional competitiveness, and also support digital platforms that improve teaching and research outcomes. In short, it acts as both a theoretical constant and practical mechanism for excellence in higher education. Our framework demonstrates how knowledge sharing functions as a continuous cycle. It begins with systematic collection, continues with exchange, and ends with dissemination of knowledge across the institution. This process leads to stronger institutional performance and competitive advantage. By turning individual expertise into collective capability, universities can sustain growth and innovation. Successful knowledge sharing depends on three interrelated components. 1. Personal motivation. It is individual willingness to share. 2. Organizational support, such as leadership, culture, and incentive. And 3. Technological infrastructure, system that has facilitated digital interaction. When these align, they create a supportive academic culture that promotes collaboration, innovation, and continuous learning. This culture is the true foundation of a knowledge-driven institution. To conclude, our study shows that knowledge sharing in higher education is dynamic, multidimensional, and evolving. It has progressed from traditional practice to technology-enabled and sustainability-focused system. Its success depends on how personal, organizational, and technological elements interact. Our bibliometric analysis reveals global growth, but also the need for more diverse regional participation. Ultimately, knowledge sharing is not only an academic practice, it is a strategic necessity for building innovation, resilience, and institutional transformation in the knowledge-driven era. Before I end, I would like to highlight one key message. Knowledge sharing is the heart of academic progress. When institutions encourage openness, trust, and collaboration, they build stronger, more innovative, and more resilient communities. Academic communities capable of innovation and transformation. Thank you very much for your attention. I truly appreciate your time, and I would be happy to answer any question.